Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how I do my contour with my Kat Von D palette and this awesome eye makeup as well. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. As you can see, I already have my foundation on and I set it in place. So I'm going to go in with the Shade and Light Contour Palette by Kat Von D. For those of you who don't know how awesome this palette is, you can actually customize it and pick the exact contour and highlight shades that you want in each palette, which also means that you never have to rebuy the palette itself. You'll only have to rebuy the refill pans for whatever color you're looking for. I'm going to use the color Shadow Play to start off with, and I'm going to use a big fluffy fan brush, and I am just buffing this into my skin, trying to get a nice glowy look. And I'm just putting this in all the areas that I would normally put my contour. So the contours of my cheeks, my forehead, and underneath my chin. Now I'm picking up a smaller fan brush and the color Suede, and I'm just using this to sculpt out my cheeks a little bit more. The Suede color has a little bit more of a gray undertone, so it really helps the contour look like a shadow. I also drag that color underneath my jaw to sculpt that out a little bit more, and I also sculpt out my chin to make my chin look more prominent. Now I'm going to take the color Sombre and just deepen up that contour just a little bit. This part is definitely optional. I just felt like I wanted it to be a little bit deeper. Now going back in with the color Suede and a small detailed tapered blending brush, I am sculpting out my nose contour. This part is really important to me because I don't like the shape of my nose, so I definitely like to contour it and make it look a little different. And as you can see, I drag that up into my brow bone. Then I finish it off by drawing a little line across the bottom of my nose, and this is just going to help make my nose look more like a button nose. I like to put the contour shade right below my bottom lip and right in the center on top of the top lip. This just helps your lips look more full. Now I'm taking the shade Lyric on a flat Morphe brush. I like to use this brush to pack in color. So I'm going to take this Lyric color, which is like a soft yellow, and I'm going to put this along the sides of the contour that I did on my nose. I'm also dragging this on the high points of my face, like my forehead and underneath my eyes, to brighten. And you can always pack on more color if you feel like you need to. And then also on my chin, I'm also dragging it down the sides of right underneath my contour on each cheek. I'm picking up the color Suede with my smaller fan brush, and I am placing this on my eyelids, concentrating it more so on the crease, but since it's a fan brush, it's obviously going to get on my lid as well, and that's okay. Now I'm picking up the color Shadow Play with the same brush and doing the same thing on my eyelids, mostly in the crease, and I'm just deepening that up a little bit. I definitely feel like putting dimension on your eyelid and in your crease helps complete that makeup look. So even if I don't have time for all that, I'll at least do this so that I have some dimension. To add a little more depth, I'm going to go in with Subconscious on a smaller, more detailed brush. I'm going to pat this into the outer corners of my eyes. I'm creating a nice natural smoky eye. Then whatever is left over on my brush, I use to smoke out the bottom lash line. Then I go ahead and just buff out all the banana powder that we used and blend it in with my skin. And now that we've had all these powders on my face baking for so long, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray just to give some hydration back. Now I'm going to take the highlight color Authentic by Tarte and use that to highlight my cheeks and my chin. I'm taking that same highlight shade and a small pencil brush from Morphe, and I'm placing that on my Cupid's bow, right on the tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose just slightly, on the inner corners of my eyes, and right underneath my eyebrow. For blush, I'm using the color Moment by Tarte. I like to use a patting motion for this as opposed to a rubbing motion because you don't want to move around any of the makeup that you've already set in place. And that is it for the contour portion of this video. Please keep watching to see a tutorial on today's eye look. For the eyes, I am using this NYX white eyeliner. I just want to go ahead and warn you guys, this is probably not the best liner to purchase for this look. It kind of got clumpy when it dried, so I'm definitely going to be doing this look again sometime soon, and I'm going to buy a different white eyeliner, preferably a felt tip, if I can get it to look as vibrant as this liquid liner. If not, I'll get a different liquid liner, but I definitely don't recommend this eyeliner for this look. As you can see, I was starting to get frustrated with the applicator on the eyeliner, so I just grabbed a small detailing brush and dipped it into the eyeliner. Another thing I will definitely be doing different next time is putting the white eyeliner on first as opposed to putting the black eyeliner on first. When I first did this, I put the black eyeliner on and then it just became really messy when I tried to put the white eyeliner on. So definitely put the white eyeliner on first. Now I'm taking my Tarte dual-ended eyeliner. I'm using the felt tip side. This eyeliner is honestly amazing. It's been my favorite now for a while. And I'm just using the black eyeliner now to line right underneath what I did with the white. I'm actually going right over the white, but still leaving some of the white showing. Now to tight line my upper lash line, I am using the Sephora brand, I believe it's waterproof eyeliner, and this is just going to help tie in and make sure there are no gaps. And I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on off camera. To finish off this look, I'm using my Grande Lips Lip Plumper. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment below and let me know what you guys want to see next. Bye!